The Turkish military received domestically produced HISAR O Plus system built for very low and middle altitude missile defense. HISAR O Plus was developed indigenously in cooperation with Turkey's defense industry giants Aselsan and Roketsan. The air defense system has 360-degree defense capability and can simultaneously engage and fire against at least 9 different targets. Effective against warplanes, helicopters, air-to-land missiles and drones, it can also intercept targets at a range of 25 kilometers. HISAR O Plus medium-range air defense system completed a test fire in March 2021, which was the longest range and the highest altitude test conducted in the country to date.